If you are opening PhonePe for the first time, the app may look confusing, but once you understand the main sections, everything becomes very easy. In this video, we will take a simple step-by-step tour of the PhonePe app using real-life examples. When you open the PhonePe, you will first see the home screen. This is the main page where all important options are available. The home screen is usually divided into different sections. First one is transfer money section. This is one of the most important sections inside the app. From here, you can send money, receive money, and check balance. Important concept is UPI. PhonePe works using UPI, which stands for Unified Payments Interface. UPI allows instant money transfer between bank accounts. Inside the transfer money section, you usually see options like to mobile number, to bank or UPI ID, to self account, and check balance. Now we will see the real life example. Suppose Ravi wants to send 500 rupees to his friend. Here is what Ravi does. Opens PhonePe, clicks to mobile number, enters his friend's number, enters the amount, and enters UPI pin. Money is sent instantly. Second one is scan and pay section. You will also see a scan button on the home screen. Important concept is QR code. QR code is a square barcode that stores payment details. Instead of typing bank details manually, you simply scan the QR code. Now we will see the real life example. Priya goes to the shop. Instead of paying cash, she taps the scan, scans the shop's QR code, enters the amount, enters her UPI pin. Payment is completed instantly. Third one is recharge and bill payments section. This section helps you to pay regular bills easily. You can recharge mobile, pay electricity bill, pay water bill, pay DTH bill, pay gas bill. Now we will see the real life example. Amit wants to recharge his phone. Here is what he does. Selects mobile recharge, enter his mobile number, chooses a recharge plan, pays using PhonePe. Recharge is completed instantly. Fourth one is wallet or UPI Lite section. You may also see options like wallet, UPI Lite, and other payment modes. Important concept is UPI Lite. UPI Lite allows small payments without entering your UPI pin every time. This feature is useful for small daily payments, quick transactions. For example, buying tea, buying snacks, or buying small shop items becomes faster. Fifth one is insurance and financial services. PhonePe also provides financial services. You may see options for insurance, investment options, and gold purchase. These are optional features for users who want to manage money using the app. Sixth one is transaction history. PhonePe also stores your payment history. In the history section, you can view all the past payments. This helps you to track payments, check failed transactions, confirm successful payments. Now we will see the real life example. Suppose Ravi is unsure whether he paid a bill. Ravi can open the transaction history and confirm the payment. Seventh one is profile section. The profile section contains your account details. Here you can see your name, linked bank accounts, UPI ID and settings. You can also add or remove bank accounts, change settings and contact support. Important concept is UPI pin. A UPI pin is a secret number used to approve payments. Whenever you send money, you must enter your UPI pin. Never share your UPI pin with anyone. Nobody from PhonePe or the bank should ask your UPI pin. Simple understanding of the app. You can think of PhonePe like a digital wallet connected directly to your bank account. From one app, you can send money, pay bills, recharge mobile, shop online, and track payments. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.